Principal Sir, Sri Allaruddin Sir, our ID Head Pooja Ma'am, teachers and students. I am Pushti Upadhyay, General Secretary of Group School.
And I am Subisha Chetia, President of Social Welfare Club of Gurus.
Today we all are here to dedicate our love to all the Gurus.
We all are here to celebrate a prominent festival in India.
As we all know, teachers and principals are one of the forms of Guru.
So let us welcome you all by conveying our respect to all of them.
We hope you will enjoy our program.
So
let the show begin.
As we know, it's our school culture to start every single program with prayer.
So for that, I would like to welcome Rajvi Soni from 4th standard.
Some knowledge what Guru Purnima actually is.
So for that, I would like to welcome Ishana Megrajani and Baksani Jani from 10th standard.
Today we are going to speak about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an occasion which is celebrated in the Ashad month of Indian calendar on the full moon day, that is Purnima, every year. In the Gregorian calendar, it falls in the month of July-August every year.
Guru is not the one who just teaches books or makes us book poems, but enlightening us to the path of success by their teachings.
There are different types of gurus, like our mother, father and elders. They all take us to the right path, but our teachers are special.
And also, these 2 years have been difficult for everyone, but for teachers it was risky as well as challenging because of pandemic.
But our teachers never gave up. They faced all the challenging situations and came to school to teach us.
So, we are thankful to all teachers and groups management for giving and guiding us. So, on this occasion, I would like to say, Guru hota sabse mahan, jo deta sabko gyan, awaj Guru Purnima par kare, apne Guru ko pranam.
Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.
I would like to welcome students from prayer dance, and students are Naitri Dhairya from 5th, Daksh from 4th, Tanvi, Zia, Vriddhi, Yashvi, Jinkal and Disha from 6th.
And I would like to call upon Diya, Nia, Trisha and Rishi from standard 7, Stuti, Yani, Umera, Subhanshu, Harshit, Sakshi, Bhumi and Sakshi Thakkar from standard 8.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय दिलों में नाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा तेरी क्या ही बात है भोले शंकरा तेरी क्या ही बात है दूर होके भी तू साथ है ओ दूर होके भी तू साथ है को मैं कर दूंगा तुझको समर्पण, मैं तेरा आंसू हूँ तू मेरा दर्पण, तेरे ही होने से मेरी ये सारी जिंदगी सजी है। लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा। सब तेरी बदौलत है आज रघुवंशी, तू सूक्ष्म है और तू ही विशाल है, तू उत्तर है और तू ही सवाल है, तू ही है सत्या बाकी जिंदगी भी ना सकी है। लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा।
I would like to welcome Ghazal to share the information on this day.
Myself, Haley Deborah from Standard 7.
Myself, Rizal Singh from Second 7. We wish all our super hardworking teachers a very happy Guru Purnima.
It is my honor to present before a speech on Guru Purnima, also called as Vyasa Purnima, as teachers are believed to be the one of the incarnations of Guru. We would like to begin our speech by heartily welcoming and respecting all teachers and principals present here.
वक्त भी सिखाता है और टीचर भी, पर दोनों में अंतर सिर्फ इतना है कि टीचर लिखाकर इम्तिहान लेता है और वक्त इम्तिहान लेकर सिखाता है। शुभ गुरु पूर्णिमा।
India is considered to be the land of gurus, spiritual masters and teachers. We would celebrate this festival throughout India by Indians and Buddhists.
We students have many gurus in our life. We learn something new every day, whether it is about our studies or life. Different people guide us in our life at different stages. It can be our mother, father, teachers, friends, universe, God, and also our own mistakes. Our teachers work really hard for us. Our gurus wish to give us best education and valuable knowledge even in this pandemic.
Teachers are facing formidable challenges, whether educating students in masked up, social distance, in classrooms or virtually, from computer screens, even by staying at their homes. They gave us the best knowledge. But still we don't respect them. We should respect our gurus for their guidance. So let us all celebrate Guru Purnima by paying deep gratitude and devotion towards all gurus. Thank you.
Life who showed us right path of our life. First and foremost is our Almighty God who created us and showed us this beautiful world. Our second guru is our mother who gave birth to us. And next is our father who nurtures and supports us. So to dedicate these precious and valuable gurus in our life, I would like to call students of higher secondary, Janki, Pranshu, Shaini and Aishwarya to present a song.
तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर तो रखियो मेरी बात, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ। ओरे ओ पाड़े बड़ा तू काले उड़ी झांझरे, मारे हाथू रही जाने आज निरात, हे मारे हाथू रही जाने आज निरात। आंबली ने पीपड़ी ने, हे आंबली ने पीपड़ी ने, जोशे तारी बात रे, बेगा बड़ी कशु में फरियाद, हे बेगा बड़ी कशु में फरियाद। मारी लाडकी ने खमा घड़ी, मारी दीकरी ने खमा घड़ी, मारी लाडकी ने ए नानकड़ी, फरी जाली ने मारो हाथ। आई उपरी ए ओ आहा, आई उपरी ओ आहा। उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ। आई उपरी ओ आहा, आई उपरी ओ आहा। टीचर कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेंगे, बच्चे हमारे ऐसा काम करेंगे, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने हमारी मंजिल है कहाँ। टीचर्स कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेंगे।
Guru is someone who takes us to the path of glory and make our life precious. Who means darkness and true means a person who eliminates darkness. I would like to thank all the teachers present over here who make our life such a beautiful. Thank you. पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है, मकान है। पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है, मकान है। पिता नन्हे से परिंदे का बड़ा आसमान है। पिता है तो घर में प्रतिपल राग है। पिता है, पिता से माँ की बिंदी, चूड़ी और सुहाग है। पिता है तो सारे सपने अपने हैं। पिता है तो बाजार के सब खिलौने अपने हैं।
मेरे इंतजार में खुली आंखें लेके वो ही सो सकती है, मेरे दुख में मुझसे ज्यादा वो ही रो सकती है। माथा छू के मुकद्दर बदल देने का जादू सिर्फ उसी को आता है। थर्मोमीटर से भी ज्यादा करेक्ट टेम्परेचर बताने का उसी को आता है, वो ही माँ है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाई आशाओं के बादल छाए कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहें। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Now for making this program more cultural and spiritual, I would like to call upon Prisha, Samar, Mahi, Nidhi, Heer from Standard 1st, Latya Batkul from Standard 2nd, Khyati, Nirmay, Nishant and Bhavya, Yavi from Standard 4th for shloka.
Brahma Guru Vishnu Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
I appreciate teachers for teaching the small kids slokas. It's very difficult task. Now for upcoming speech, I would like to call upon Rajvi and Prerak from 1st standard.
My name is Rajishun. Guru અને શિષ્યના મિલનનો પાવન અને પવિત્ર દિવસ એટલે ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમા. ગુનો અર્થ થાય છે અંધકાર અને ઋનો અર્થ થાય છે પ્રકાશ. ગુરુ આપણને અંધકારથી નામરૂપી પ્રકાશ તરફ લઈ જાય છે. જ્યારે ભગવાન અને ગુરુ સામસામે ઊભા હોય ત્યારે સૌપ્રથમ આપણને ગુરુને પગે લાગવું જોઈએ કારણ કે ભગવાનનો પરિચય કરાવનાર ગુરુ જ હોય છે. હેપી ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમા. Hello everyone, my name is Preraksa. I study in class 1. My school name is Brooks Primary School. Today I am going to tell you about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is birthday of multi-various. On this day we pay respect to all our gurus. I dedicate this festival to all my teachers, my parents and my grandparents. I wish you all Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
I would like to call upon Mahi from Standard 2nd, Bhakti and Ishita from Standard 3rd.
Myself, Mahijan from Standard 2nd. Hello, my name is Bhakti Shah from Standard 3rd. Hello, my name is Ishita Bhakani from Standard 3rd. Darkness, Adi means one who dispels them. Guru Purnima is a national festival celebrated by Buddhists and Jainists. It is celebrated on the full moon of the Ashada month. Many temples observe and offer Vyas Puja on Guru Purnima. Thank you. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima. It marks the birthday of Ved Vyas Ji. This Guru Purnima is an Indian festival. This festival is traditionally observed by Hindu, Buddhist and Jains. This festival is celebrated on the full moon day of Ashad as it is known as Hindu calendar. GU means ignorance and darkness and Aryu means light and knowledge. When one finds the true Guru, one conquer half the world. Teachers are parents in school and I have been blessed to have best of them. Guru Purnima is celebrated on full moon day in Hindi month of Ashad. It is celebrated to express gratitude to the Guru or teachers. It is also known as Vyas Purnima as it marks the birthday of Ved Vyas Ji. As you walk with the Guru, you walk in the light and existence. Away from the darkness or ignorance, you leave behind all problems of your life and move towards the big experiences of life. Thank you. Thank you.
You kids are super cute and super talented. For making this program melodious, I would like to call upon Michelle and Bhumika from Standard 8.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you are as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home forever. We will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you are as proud of me as I am proud of you. Thank you.
So moving was next for Shlok. Let's invite Rishi and Jahan from 7th and Shalvi from 5th.
Guru Vande Matra Rupam, Guru Vande Pitra Rupam, Guru Vande Karunamayam, Guru Vande Sujamayam.
इसका अर्थ ये है, गुरु ही हमारी माता है, गुरु ही हमारे पिता है, गुरु ही क्षमा रूपी है, गुरु ही सदा रूपी है. थैंक यू.
ध्यान मूलम गुरु मूर्ति, पूजा मूलम गुरु पदम, मंत्र मूलम गुरु वाक्यम, मोक्ष मूलम गुरु कृपा. इसका अर्थ यह हुआ कि जो गुरु जी के मूर्ति है वो सर्व ध्यानों का मूल है. गुरु जी के जो पैर हैं वो सर्व पूजाओं का मूल है. गुरु जी का हर एक वाक्य सर्व मंत्रों के मूल है और गुरु जी की कृपा ही हमें मोक्ष की तरफ ले जाती है.
शिवे रुष्टे गुरुस्त्राता गुरौ रुष्टेन कश्चन लब्ध्वा गुरु सम्यक गुरुमेव क्षमाशय। इसका अर्थ यह हुआ कि जब शिव जी को क्रोध आता है तब हमें गुरु बचाते हैं, पर गुरु को क्रोध आता है तो कोई नहीं बचाता। इसीलिए हमें गुरु की शरण में रहना चाहिए। गुरु पूर्णिमा का वास्तविक अर्थ यह हुआ कि गुरु प्लस पूर्णि प्लस माँ, इसीलिए सर्वप्रथम माँ ही पूर्ण गुरु होता है, तत्पश्चात गुरु ही पूर्ण माँ होते हैं। थैंक यू।
And with modern dance, let's call Angeline Paul from 5th and Deborah Paul from 2nd.
and talented sisters they were at such a small age. Subisha, let's have some fun too.
Yeah, why not?
So for that, let's call they Yavi, Deborah, Anushri, Tanya, Kiral and Bhavya from Group 1.
Ellie, Forum, Vihan, Suzanne, Amatullah, Punit and from Group 2.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। करने दे ख्वाबों को बदमाशियां, चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियां, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियां। होश में रहना है क्यों, रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा, बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
So now to discover more on Guru Purnima, let's have Prisha, Twisha, Adnan and Runaluddin from 5th.
As we all know, teachers and principals are one of the form of Guru. Guru Purnima is a spiritual festival and there is difference between a Guru and a teacher. A Guru is someone who teaches us life lessons. And a teacher is someone who gives us knowledge about reading and writing. The Guru word derives two words of Sanskrit. Guru Purnima is a spiritual festival which is celebrated by Buddhists and Jains. It is a festival. Guru Purnima is famous Indian festival. This festival is reviewed by Mahatma Gandhi to pay tribute and spiritual by Sri Madhuraj Chandra. Buddhists dedicate this day to Lord Buddha. It is also known as Vyasa Purnima, mark the birthday of great Vyasa. I'm in your class. I open my ears. You encourage me to learn and create. Your teaching style is wonderful trait. I am really glad that we do get along. You don't criticize me when I get things wrong. So thank you all teacher for teaching me. To my dear teachers, I would like you to start by saying that I am extremely happy to be surrounded by many wonderful people like you all my respected teachers. I have never seen your cape or mask, but yet I have seen, felt and heard about your superpowers every day. It is because of your resilience and positive attitude that we get best results. Learn in this challenging time and most importantly, grow to be confident and disciplined. Above all, your kindness, love and care that you have showered upon us has nourished us. You are all who power always for me. I am fully blessed to have teachers like you. Thank you for making this year and all my education here in this school so special. Thank you for teaching me the best you can. Thank you and happy Guru Purnima.
It was two good kids. What if we see some reality of school in dance form?
Sure, why not?
With which we can also dedicate thanksgiving to them.
So for this performance, we have students from higher and higher secondary, and students are Mahi, Ananya, Bhumika, Arva from 9th and Krisha, Zaina, Parita, Heel and Rakshita from 11th.
मुझे क्या पता, ढूंढ के लाना। तू सिंसियर है तो जा। सॉरी सर।
इट्स ओके। गुड मॉर्निंग, सिट डाउन।
Thank you, sir.
Now give your attendance. Savai, Jayant,
Yes, sir.
Ritik,
Present, sir.
Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
Divanshu.
Present, ma'am. Sorry, sir.
Okay, बच्चा, these mistakes happen. Now submit your projects. Wow. Very good. This is excellent. What did the Divanshu? Again mistake.
Sorry, sir.
मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे सर परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे सर परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, कराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हीं, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हीं। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी बदौलत, आपकी समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
What a dhamakedar performance it was. Now, moving towards next, I would like to call upon Ahana Mehmet from 4th standard for singing.
Hello everyone. It's so wonderful. Love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful.
How cute performance it was. It has been such a long time of seeing keyboard performance.
Yeah, even a Hindi poem.
So let's have it from that. Let's call upon Naisha Sufi for performance and Riddhi Jain for poem.
Good morning.
We love you teachers, we miss you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं अब कौन इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमने सिखाया है बच्चे सब पल को मन में सुन जाया है डाले याद है हम बातों से प्यार चलता है उनकी बातों से We love you teachers, we miss you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. Thank you.
जो जीना सिखा दे आपकी आपसे पहचान करा दे रास्ते हीरे की तरह तुमको दुनिया के रास्ते पर चलना सिखा दे कर दे कयाम कल को तुम्हारा सच और झूठ से साकार करा दे हमेशा दिखाए सच्चा मार वो तुम्हें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दे मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम्हें वो इतना समझदार बना दे बताए वो जी जाना ही सब कुछ नहीं हार कर जीतने का हुनर वो सिखा दे गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे आपकी आपसे पहचान करा दे आपसे ही सीखा आपसे ही जाना आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे हमने कलम का मतलब आप ही से जाना बस आपकी धुआं सर पर हाथ जाती हूँ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं आपका आशीर्वाद है थैंक यू
Further in the last speech, let's call upon Mahi Jana and Hiteshri Gajav from Standard 6th.
Guru Purnima is an essential spiritual festival celebrated by the Buddhist and the Jain. This day is celebrated in the holy memory of Guru Vyasa. Many temples observe and offer Vyas Puja on Guru Purnima. On this day, students and disciples pay obeisance to the teachers, parents and gurus for bringing the light of knowledge and enlightenment in their lives. We should pay respect towards all those people who play a role of Guru in our life. Guru Purnima is a wonderful day that reminds everyone the significance of great sacrificing teachers, parents and gurus in Oriental culture. We are grateful to have a guru like you. A guru gives us knowledge. We don't know many things, but a guru teaches us. A guru is a person whose opinions we admire, whose ideas we follow in our life.
It is believed that on Guru Purnima, Lord Shiva taught yoga to the Saptarishi. Lord Buddhists believe that Guru Purnima is the day when Lord Buddha gave his first teaching. Guru Purnima showcases the high status of teachers in Indian religion and culture. This day is also celebrated as the birthday of Maharishi Vedvyas, author of the great epic Mahabharata. On this day, teachers are honored in schools and colleges, where GU means darkness and RU means removing of darkness. The importance of teacher is seen not only in the field of education but in a wider sense.
Thank you, my respected teachers and gurus, for your efforts in this pandemic situation in our life, and wish you a happy Guru Purnima.
Thank you once again and happy Guru Purnima to all.
Thank you.
Now I would like to call upon girls from Standard 9 for singing.
जब आए पहली बार नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जगाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
Thank you. Last but not least, we have a song performance by Tanya, Bhargavi and Husaina from Standard First.
We are very glad and thankful for all of you for spending your precious time.
It is a famous saying, before ending our function, I would just like to say and recite it.
There is a Guru in all of us.
In his word you will find the wisdom, at his feet you will find the world.
I would especially like to thank Alonso for planning this function, our IT head Pooja ma'am, Pranita ma'am for choreographing, for singing Saloni ma'am, for speech and slok Vandana ma'am and Yolalisa ma'am, and all the teachers from primary, pre-primary, higher and higher secondary for making their students more enthusiastic and motivating them to take part in today's function.